Alright, what's good YouTube? Welcome back. We are back, baby. I got a couple updates before we get on our ride today. I added some clutch and brake guards. I don't have a back brake right now because that thing was bent super bad. On my way here to this spot, I was riding and I got hit with a bee in the neck. Oh, there it is. I guess it was in my shirt. Well, it hurt. Like, I think it stung my neck somehow. Ah! Anyways. Yeah, this is just quick look at the bike. Right now, I don't have any of the side fairings on it. I'm gonna be putting all those back on there before I sell it. Ooh, she dirty. But yeah, she's rideable. It's actually running perfectly fine. The shop, they replaced my cover. Where is it? On this side. And they put in a bolt because it was leaking and they got that fixed. But yeah, we're going to meet up with my friend and we're gonna go for a ride. I don't know what's gonna happen. We might be on dirt bikes, but oh yeah, another update. I got the new helmet. It's full carbon fiber. The only thing is, this thing is loud. Like, it might be louder than my last helmet. Like, it's so windy. But I decided not to send it back because it's full carbon fiber. I paid $600 for this thing. And, yeah, I don't want that to go to waste. Yeah, I haven't done a single video yet with this helmet, so the wind noise might be a little annoying, but you know, we'll make it through. My goodness. Oh, there's traffic today. We're just gonna sneak right on up here. Yeah, it's super loud. Like, you might be able to hear it right now. It's so loud. But we'll make do. It's about like 85 degrees, 90 degrees right now. Oh, traffic. No, near the cop. Yo, I'm hungry. I forgot to eat. See, I know a shortcut, y'all. Watch this. It's not really that cool, but see how all this traffic is going that way. There's a stop sign over there, and tons of people have to take turns. You could just cut through here, like a Chad, right? Right, hear me out. Yeah, and then just skip it. Come on, let's go now. Lock in. There's a gas station over there that I had a lady like yell at me at. She was like, "You guys are being stupid and messing around too much." I'm gonna call the cops. My friend brought his dirt bike and it was so loud. Obviously she didn't like it. But you know, some of us did, so it's okay. It was worth it. Still recording? Yes, we are. I kind of want to get a Honda Grom. Alright, we're back, baby. We're with Heze. We're about to show up. Look at this guy wheeling. Look at this man. Oh, we're gonna hit a U-ey. clean off my tires. He's gonna wheelie for us. Oh yeah. Hey, we're still learning. That's pretty good. No way, bro's hit the Superman! What the hell? Dude, that thing sounds nasty. It kicks up a lot of dirt though. Oh, into my eyes. Dude, you got that thing way up.
Dude, I hit a knife one. Right?
Yeah, I saw that. That thing, oh, that was so good. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. I just gotta get low. Dude, he popped that thing up. Hey, no hate though, we're just learning. This guy. Goodness, bro. Better than I am. Granted, I'm not very good, but damn. Yo, he's got that though. Oh my gosh, that one was like one of the best ones. Pushed it like a gentleman. Oh my gosh! Don't do that, guys. Oh, where? No, he's not. No, he's not. Pop it up, you want. Oh my. Whoa. He just learns how to hold that. That's gonna be deadly. Oh, I'm shifting a little too rough. I gotta lock in. Twisties. Oh, these are nice. That one you can fly on, this one not so much.
That's the end of this video. A couple updates or like side notes that I'd like to throw in is me and Heze are beginners and we're just enjoying the process of learning how to wheelie and just ride in general. On a side note, I know that the wind noise is kind of bad. I will be learning how to fix that and get better quality in my videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace.